a little bit of a quick fashion just to provide a little update on how we're going. Here we have the little room where we put things away like tea makers and GoPro equipment and so on. Now, some work has already been achieved. We're going to go first into the bedroom here. Oh, we need to turn on the light. And here, as we can see, we've already done some of the cleanup of the walls. Still quite a lot to do, but, let's celebrate accomplishments. Unfortunately, we do not have video of this part of the process, but we were able to take that rubberized wall, like we see in the corridor, here on the bathroom. Now, initially, we were going to keep one or two of the bathrooms as they were, but we've decided that this bathroom should go. And when I mean go, I mean being redone completely. We will let you see how that goes, and here on the side you can see how the wall looked inside that bedroom as well. We are still deciding what we are going to do on this corridor about this wall and on the stairs up to the first floor as well. Now, as you can see, on the bedroom we've done a little bit of a cleanup and so on. So we're quite happy with how this turned out, let's say. Then in here we have the access to the garage. In here we are putting some of the electric things that were dismounted from the kitchen earlier. And in here we can see the older kitchen, which will be transformed into a room. So this will be a guest room. Now, going up the stairs, we will make our way into the first floor. As you can see, the wall has this strange surface. I'm still not really keen on it, but it could be worse. So, in here, we've already done, as you've seen in some of the last videos, the removal of all of the wallpaper. This little chimney and fireplace will be removed. We will not keep it. We will discuss that in detail afterwards, and here we get into the kitchen on the first floor, which will be the kitchen that we will be maintaining. Now, this walls, as you can see, this will be torn down. So this is one of the corners of an old, very small kitchen. This is the chimney that comes from below, where the water heater was. And all of this will be removed. All of the tile, these two walls to enlarge the kitchen substantially. And unfortunately, I happen to know that this part was already done and was not recorded, but you will get to see the aftermath of it. Now, moving on into the bedroom that will be created, as you can see, and where that mirror is, there will be a door going to the other side of the building. Now here we see the bathroom that will be maintained with a lovely lady taking care of some business in there. Now, that's all of the updates for today. Thank you very much for your time, and I hope you see us again. Bye.